Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can airdrop something from your Apple device to Samsung or other Android device. So at the start, sadly I have to say that there is no way to send something by the airdrop to Android devices. It's work only between the Apple devices, but I'm going to show you the other way. We have to open the App Store, and in the App Store look for the Send Anywhere app. Just install it on both devices, and after that open it. Agree the terms and confirm. Click continue. Allow permissions to the files. Okay, now we are ready to transfer the files, so just select the SHAREit photos that you want to send. You can select all, or just hold the finger on it. Sorry, just tapping finger on it and click send. Now choose receive on the Samsung device. Agree the terms again and close the window. Type the number from the iPhone and click accept. And transferring data process starting automatically, and now we have these photos from the iPhone on Android device. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.